We are multiplying two terms with one another. But before we work with the variables and its exponents, let us look at the coefficients. So I have 3 multiplied with minus 5. So when I ignore the variables, it simply becomes 3 times negative 5, and that is equals to negative 15. So now I'm done with the 3 and the negative 5. Let us move on to the exponents. So I have x to the power of negative 2 and x to the power of 3. And when we multiply, we add the exponents together. Next, we have y to the power of 4 and y to the power of negative 2. So this becomes y to the power of 4 minus 2. Notice I'm not adding negative 2 and 4 and 3 and negative 2 to create one big value. That will be incorrect. I can only add exponents where the variables are the same. So if I simplify, I have negative 15, x to the power of 1, y squared. And we can also leave our answer as negative 15x y squared.